So my friend texted me this morning. She asked me if I wanted to go out to grab pizza, and I told her, of course, why not? So the first thing I did was grab my laptop to respond to some of your comments and also plan my day because I didn't know what I wanted to wear. And I decided last minute that I was going to make something to match the vibe of the day. So I scrolled through Pinterest and I found this cute purple mini dress. I thought it was so cute, so I decided to make it. So if you're curious about the step-by-step process, the full tutorial will be on my channel this Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Once the dress was done, I went for a light makeup look, nothing too extra. I just wanted to feel fresh and, feel put together. Now it's time for the dress reveal. Honestly, I'm so happy with how the dress came together. It's super comfortable, effortless, and exactly the kind of vibe I wanted for today. Anyway, I'm running late, so I need to put on some jewelry. This right here, you guys, this is my favorite perfume ever. Like, it smells so soft, like flowers, like spring. Oh, I'm literally obsessed. I paired it with these super comfy and stylish slippers. Okay, so it's time to head out now. I need to pick up my friend and then we'll be on our way. We got to the location. It's one of those places where you get to create your own pizza. You add all the toppings and ingredients that you want, which I think is actually very fun. And the ambience was so relaxing. The weather was also great. I was scared it was going to be hot, but it wasn't. So the ingredients came and he instructed us on how to go about placing them. While I was waiting for it to bake, I enjoyed the view and I let my head down because it got a little windy. And when the pizza finally came out, oh my god, trust me. When I say trust me, it was worth every second of waiting. So after pizza, we decided to go and watch a movie. We saw Fantastic Four, but it was just there, in my opinion. It wasn't that interesting. I wish they used the money to make something original. Ibiyayo. Yeah.